Yeah, Jules? Jules.
What's happening here? Walking through fucking Seb. We're in Bali just doing random shit, to be honest. Like, what the fuck is this?
It's content.
It's content. Content, rip content.
Come on, baby, content.
Okay, can I walk through, guys?
No.
Fuck no.
Please, by myself.
No.
Bro, whoa. All the times you're in my way, you're gonna need to wait.
I'm never sure you're right.
I was waiting for you.
Guys, I don't know what we're doing, bro. Instead of doing ecom, I'm fucking doing random shit. They got me doing random shit. Where the fuck am I? It's like we're at like, we ditched a party and we're in the middle of a fucking forest. Nah. This is definitely not the magical garden, I guarantee you. Are we
What's the magic though?
Are we both vlogging at the same time?
We're fucking vlogging at the same time.
Oh my.
Oh, it's the fucking magic garden. Look at this.
Bro, I'm used to meta ads. I'm not used to this random shit.
I know, bro. Ecom guys in the nature, I don't know if they'll survive.
It's hot as fuck. It's late at night.
Fucking,
We might get jumped by some Balinesians.
look at this fuck. He's fucking. Look at this little fuck.
Hey.
Hey, what are you doing, huh?
Fuck the vlog.
Fucking
Fuck the vlog.
To come during the day here.
Yeah, eh? Yeah, eh, bud?
Oh my god.
Tell me that doesn't look pretty satanic, if you ask me.
Yeah, just a bit. There's a fucking.
Name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Alright, so going for a walk. Taking a nice walk around the fucking village. It's really, really hot. I'm drenched. But I just want to get out the house. Record the video, you know. So to keep you updated, honestly. So we posted the ads finally with no issues whatsoever. It is a new product from my original test, but we move on. I think part of the reason why my ad accounts were getting rejected was because of the product itself. So moved on to a completely new product, and this product's looking promising. So I found it actually through scrolling on organic Instagram, and I don't know, I've seen a lot of people find such good success finding products like that. So when I found it was a very engaging video about the product, and it was in a niche that I liked. So I did more research, and it was really recently trending on like TikTok Shop, and same thing as my last winner, where I go on Facebook and there are people that have been running ads for this product for two plus weeks. Just, you know the type of stores I'm talking about, some like shitty Chinese general broad store, no branding, no nothing, ads are garbage, everything's garbage. So obviously like there's room for improvement on everything. So I came in, created a fucking banging offer, created a website, made it look branded as fuck. Well, my best, at least mixed with speed, and did my own ads. Well, I obviously ripped some content to make the ads, but I edited my ads. Basically going like, I guess blindly, because yeah, no one really succeeded on Facebook like amazingly. So I usually don't promote that. Usually I like to have someone who's really doing good on Facebook with it already, but I just saw an opportunity, said why not. And plus I was in the middle of like depending on ad account issues, so I'm like, why not? And it got launched and it was going. I got a sale for the first $10 spent. Now I think we're close to 40 spent with no other sales. So the metrics were really looking good at the beginning and then not looking that good now. But obviously that's what happens. And at the end of the day, I don't want to get run over. At the end of the day, now I really know how good it is to get a purchase on the first day, like how such promising signs that is. So I obviously don't see myself giving up so easily on this product, and I'm excited now to start building and actually improving on the skills rather than just dealing with ad account issues. I still have a temporary fix on the ad account issues. When I have a permanent one, I will obviously share. Right now it's temporary, but that's it. But I want to talk about, so basically I was in a rut obviously because of the ad account issues, and I was speaking with, again, Jason, and we're talking about how when you're in a rut, hey, look at the dog. Wait, sorry to interrupt. Where did he go? Oh, there's dogs in the rice field. I don't want to get run over. Look at the dog. But basically, we were talking about how whenever you're in a rut, I gave him this advice for him, but then it made me realize I should do it myself. And whenever you're in a rut, obviously there's times where you have won in life, like even if it's a small win, big win, any type of win, right? Every time you're in a rut, go back and look at the times you've won and see the moments before you started winning. What happened? What did you feel? What did you think of? How did you feel? And try to replicate it. And he sent me a video by some, oh man, I'm drawing a blank on the name, but like obviously the guy's very successful in ecom, and sent me a video, and he talked about the exact same thing about how I felt last time I felt my winner, and even now I experienced it in this exact moment right before getting my ads approved and up and working. I felt the same way, and it was basically just that sensation of something is coming right now. You're going to win right now. It's this feeling, some type of intuition, and also I'd like to add from personal experience, both my last winner and now this small win of just getting my ads approved, right, was basically I felt, and I kind of stopped putting so much energy into it. I finally just gave up because I tried so much. I stressed about it so much. Now, it doesn't mean I didn't stop trying, like with actions. It was more of a mental game of like, you know what? I'm no longer stressed about it. Whatever happens, happens. I wake up just every day and just try to solve it. If today I try and it doesn't work out, I'll try tomorrow. And I'll try the day after. It doesn't matter. There's just zero stress. And I do believe that's a sensation I feel right before every time I succeed, because I believe in the law of attraction, right? When you really desire something, you want something that you're putting in the universe that you don't have, and therefore repel it. And that's why I believe that obviously you want things, you want to grow and you want to get better and you want to achieve things, and yes, you're going to take actions to do so, but there's a mentality shift that you need to have where you are not attached to it, you are not in need of it. It's just something that you just automatically attract, and you feel the sensation of you're going to win right now. I can't explain it. I explain it the best way possible. But I did that right before my ad accounts, and it clearly worked. And I again keep noticing every time I win, I'm in a certain mindset. And hopefully I described it as good as possible for you to try to replicate that, because that's what I do. And maybe you feel differently. Everyone's different, right? But my simple advice is you've won in your life. There's no way you haven't, even if it's the smallest win possible, as just, I don't know, I can't even think about it. There's so many wins, just so many different wins, types of wins, even if it's just going to the gym when you're lazy, or even when, you know, you won $10 at a casino. I have no idea, whatever it is, but every time you are in a rug, look back at the last time you won, and what did you feel? What did you do? How did you act right before you won? And I think that's something where you can get out of a rut. Anyways, I'm gonna finish our walks, fucking drenching in sweat right now, but again, just enjoying the last week in Bali. It's been a blessing. Of course, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the top.